I'm having problems with the code opening the door on this Schlage FE series keypad lever lock, so we're going to change the battery today. This is a very simple procedure and you do not need to call a locksmith. There is a Phillips screw right here which we are going to remove first. There is a second screw on the bottom. Now we can very carefully remove the handle, and there will be a 9-volt battery. So we're going to pop this battery off, and we'll just snap in a new energizer, and we can put this battery back in. Now we can return the handle. And we can slide in our screws. And I'll just back it in until it clicks. And I'll screw the top one in. And we'll get the bottom one threaded as well. Let's get these nice and snug. And let's test it real quick. And our lock is fixed.
Thanks for watching. Check out the description for more information and hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more videos.